Gee, DJI is back with the Mini 5 Pro, and it's pushing the limits of what a compact drone can do, but is it a true upgrade or just a minor refresh? In this review, we're diving deep into its camera improvements, flight performance, and all the new features that set it apart. Does it bring better battery life, smarter obstacle avoidance, and pro-level video quality? Or should you stick with the Mini 4 Pro? We'll break it all down with real-world tests and expert insights to see if it's worth your money. DJI's Mini series has consistently pushed the boundaries of compact drones, delivering high-end features in an ultra-lightweight form. Now, with leaks and rumors surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro, expectations are high for major enhancements in camera performance, intelligent features, and flight capabilities. Here's everything we know about DJI's next-generation mini drone. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's find out if the Mini 5 Pro is the best compact drone yet. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. Rumors point to a larger 1-inch or improved 3-inch sensor, promising superior dynamic range, sharper detail, and enhanced low-light performance. DJI may also introduce a new 1.7 lens or possibly a variable aperture, giving users better exposure control in shifting lighting conditions. Features like 4K at 60 FPS, HDR recording, and improved 10-bit color depth are expected, making this drone a powerhouse for content creators. There's also buzz about AI-powered scene recognition and auto-framing, which could take automated shooting modes like master shots and quick shots to the next level. DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026, following DJI's typical release cycle for the Mini series. Given the potential upgrades in camera tech, flight performance, and AI-driven features, we may see a modest price increase. Estimates suggest the base model could start around $999.00. If DJI includes a premium controller like the RC2 in the package, prices could climb even higher. Design-wise, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a more aerodynamic and refined build, making it lighter and better at withstanding wind while still staying under the 250 G limit. DJI is likely using new lightweight materials that improve durability and heat dissipation. The foldable design will likely stay, but with enhancements to the hinge mechanisms, frame aesthetics, and gimbal protection for added portability. There's also talk of a redesigned, more ergonomic remote controller with improved grip and responsiveness, offering a more professional and comfortable flying experience. Battery life has always been a critical factor for drone enthusiasts, and the Mini 5 Pro might push beyond 40 minutes of flight time. This could be achieved through more efficient battery technology and smarter power management systems. Advanced AI-based optimization could adjust power consumption in real time based on flight conditions, ensuring maximum efficiency without adding extra weight. Rumors also suggest faster charging and potential support for a new smart charging hub, making quick top-ups easier for users on the go. The Mini 5 Pro is also expected to showcase major advancements in AI and smart features. We're talking about gesture controls, real-time subject recognition, and better automatic exposure settings. DJI's continued progress in machine learning and computational photography could allow the drone to enhance image quality automatically, identify ideal shooting angles, and adjust stabilization on the fly. Features like automatic editing, instant sharing, and direct cloud uploads may streamline the workflow for content creators even further. Building on the success of the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, the Mini 5 Pro is likely to refine this system with upgraded sensors and smarter AI-powered collision detection. Expect better object tracking, improved precision landings, and enhanced auto-return capabilities. These upgrades could make the drone easier and safer to fly, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Advanced AI flight assistance might also mean better active track, smoother waypoint navigation, and more intelligent cinematic flight paths, giving filmmakers more tools to create stunning aerial content with less manual effort. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a major leap forward in the compact drone category. With a better camera, smarter flight features, longer battery life, and improved reliability, it could redefine what's possible in a sub-250G drone. If the rumors turn out to be true, it may become the go-to choice for travel filmmakers and aerial photography enthusiasts alike. That said, its success will depend on whether DJI can strike the right balance between price, features, and ease of use while keeping it within the lightweight classification. If they get it right, the Mini 5 Pro might just be the best compact drone of its generation. Thanks for watching Byte Leaks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below to share your thoughts, and let us know what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews, guides, and more exciting content. Join the Byte Leaks community and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep the adventure alive with Byte Leaks. See you in the next video.